Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing another video and it is teeth whitening. So this is really different actually, this teeth whitening video, because it is going to be charcoal gel. I have never heard of this before ever, like I didn't even know that this was a thing. So I'm very excited to see if it works, because it's like those things that you put in your mouth, put this stuff in there and then hold the light in your mouth, and I've seen so many different companies do this, but never with charcoal gel. So I'm not sure if you guys have seen, I have a video on my channel already which I'll link down below. It's with the powder. So that was a charcoal powder teeth whitening one. This is gel. Like, can you see those syringes? We are going to be putting that in the guard and then into my mouth. So I am very excited to see if this works. I actually don't know if it's going to. I don't know whether it's going to be good or a complete fail. So let's get on to this and see if it works or not. Exciting. So I last time did a teeth whitening review for Bianco Smile's charcoal powder. This time they have sent me this teeth whitening charcoal gel kit, and they wanted to see if I wanted to try it and see if I thought it was good or not. So I thought, why not film it and then you guys can see if it's good or not and if you would like it or not. They've also been really nice and given a discount code in case you guys want to try it as well. No, they are not paying me to do this video, so you guys don't have to worry about that. I'm not cool enough for that. So I'll leave that down below if you guys want a discount. I'm not an affiliate, I get nothing. It is just so you can get money off, which is exciting because who doesn't like a discount? I do. I like to save money so I can go shopping for other things. Anyway, as normal, I'm getting off topic. Let's go on to try these. So you have 3 syringes. You have this one here which has your teeth guard in it, and then you have your light, which I'm assuming you put in and hold in your teeth. I've never actually done this before, so I'm literally a fish out of water. I have no idea what I'm doing at all, which could be a problem, but we can go on this journey together. So I've got these here which came in it, and then this as a guide to what your teeth should look like. I definitely need the instructions, I'm not gonna lie. So basically it's said to have a container full of boiling water. This is my cup, and this has water in it that's boiling. So you need to allow it to cool for 3 minutes. I think I've allowed it to cool for like 5 minutes. So let's get on to this. Trying to get it out. So open up your little blue container. Oh my god, this is actually quite scary looking. This is what comes in it. Okay, so a top and a bottom one. I'm assuming this is the top. Oh my god, it's like a mouth guard. I used to play hockey when I was younger, and I would have a mouth guard like this. So that's what it reminds me of. Very weird. Okay, so basically I think what's going to happen is when we put it in the hot water, it melts down a little bit, and then you can put it in your teeth and push your teeth against it and it molds to your teeth. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you put it in for 5 seconds, take it out. This is awkward. I don't feel like it worked as well as what I thought it would. I feel like I need to go and heat up my water again. Hold on a second. Alright, we've got the steaming cup again. Chuck it in, give it a whirl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, it works so much better. It actually fits. I feel like this is really awkward though. Do I rip the front piece off? Oh yeah, no, you are supposed to cut it off. Okay. I just swallowed like weird spit, I think. Alright, we'll do the bottom one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in case you guys haven't understood, sorry, I tried though. Kind of even like honey faces. Perfect. Alright. When you put it in your mouth, you need to press it against the front and then the back of your with your tongue like that. I know that was very attractive. Let it cool, and now your mouthpiece is molded to your teeth. So basically put it in your mouth, hold it down, and then press against the back with your tongue. And then let it in there for a minute while it like soaks against your teeth, and then take it out and it will be perfectly molded to your teeth. So definitely only allow it to cool for 3 minutes, because I cooled mine for like 5 to 6, 7 minutes and it was way too cold, so it didn't work properly. So cool it for 3 minutes, the water, put it in, put it against your teeth, and little squirt in each bit. Oh, it's quite funky looking. So once we put this, which you can see that there's the stuff in it, in your mouth, you are then going to turn the whitening light on and leave the light in your mouth for 20 to 30 minutes. So basically they recommend to more so do the front than the back of the teeth, because with the back of the teeth no one's going to see it. So we've put it in and we're going to put it up and then put this wee light in your mouth for 20 to 30 minutes. So let's do that. Oh my god. It smells quite nice. Had to cut it off. It is on. So 2 different things that I found when I was doing the teeth whitening. First one, there are little tags on the mouth guard situations, pieces, you know. When you put them in and you mold them around your teeth, you do need to cut these off. So take the scissors and snip it just at the edge and you'll get a piece of plastic just like that cut off. Then your teeth will be able to fit this light in. Because I was trying to squeeze it in my mouth and I was like, how do I get it in there? Egg, I know. So that's the first thing. And with the second thing, you do need to take the back off. There's a little switch. Switch it, then it pops off like this. You have some batteries in here. You need to take the batteries out like this, and then there's a little plastic cap. Take that out, throw it away, put it back on, and the light will work. The light is put like that so it's safety. How can it? Oh, there we go. So you do need to take that out, otherwise your light won't work. And then voila! So they're the 2 things I found. I left it on for 30 minutes because my teeth, let's face it, a little bit shabby. They do need as much help as possible. So leave it in for 30 minutes. I can already see that there's a little bit more of a wider reflect. just at the bottom of my teeth. So I'm really excited to see in a week's time how intense the brightness will be. I hope it's awesome. I really want lighter teeth. I want some brightness back in there. I've been eating a little bit too much curry because I don't smoke and I don't drink coffee. I hate coffee. Just an FYI if you guys don't know me. So then what I did is quickly give my mouth a wee rinse, and I'm going to wash the gel off of those and put them in here safe and sound until we do it tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is upload photos. I'm going to upload a before photo in a second, then a middle photo, so like maybe on the 4th day, and then a photo let's say on the 8th day, so that's even. So in 4 days time after the before, and then another 4 days time, we will be uploading photos so you guys can see if it's good or if it's bad or if it's amazing. I hope it's amazing because I really want some bright teeth. So keep on watching to see what the results look like. I'm just going to talk over the photos and tell you guys if it worked or if it wasn't that great. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video and keep watching to see the results. As you guys will be able to see, the results were amazing. My teeth were so bright, it was crazy. I'm so stoked with how it turned out, and I would definitely recommend this to anyone who wants to try at-home professional teeth whitening. Have a great rest of your day, guys, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!